Hi, hello and welcome. I'm so excited to share something special with you. I've created a detailed blanket making course that's perfect for anyone who wants to learn how to make a beautiful cozy blanket. This course is made up of 15 easy-to-follow videos, each carefully planned to guide you through the process. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's been crocheting for a while, you'll find this course fun and helpful. In this course, you'll learn a unique crocheting technique. This technique allows you to create a stunning handmade blanket in any size you want. You can make a small baby blanket, a medium-sized throw, or even a big blanket to snuggle up with on the couch. I'll be with you every step of the way, showing you exactly what to do. From casting on your first stitch to finishing off your blanket, I'll make sure the process is clear and easy to follow. Crocheting can be so relaxing and rewarding, and I want this experience to be enjoyable for you. All you need to do is click on the link in this video's description and buy the course from Udemy. Then you'll have access to the whole course forever from any device you have. You can even download the course and watch without any need for an internet connection later on. Once you buy it, it is yours forever. So grab your crochet hooks, pick out some soft yarn in your favorite colors, and let's get started. Follow along with the videos, take your time, and don't worry if you make a mistake. It's all part of the learning process. Most importantly, have fun and let your creativity shine. By the end of this course, you'll have a gorgeous blanket that you made with your own hands. Let's begin this cozy journey together.